when you just step up and push back, step up and push back. So when I step up, I just step, it's very comfortable, right? Don't overstep. You should have a step and come right back. Just step out, and again, you end up right where you would be if you were dropped into your footwork.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Either neutral. I'm going to step to my right, which is basically the female triangle. So remember again, female triangle is a forward V. Male triangle is the backwards V, okay? As if I'm in the middle here. So I'm in the middle, I'm going to step forward to the right. That's the front side. If I step to my left, this is triangle forward, right? This is the female triangle, okay? So that's the female triangle. All I'm going to do is I'm going to step forward to my right. But what I'm going to do is my right foot becomes the pivot foot, and I'm going to drag step my left over. I want you to drag it so you turn 90 degrees. Okay, so I was facing the front of the room, my right leg is forward. I'm going to drag step, drag my left foot and turn 90 degrees so I'm facing the left side of the room. Then I'm just going to step back to the center, pull my right foot in. Then I'm going to step to my left, drag step 90 degrees to my right. Step to the center, come back to neutral. Right, drag, step back to center, bring my feet back together. Left, drag and turn, step back to the center, pull my foot together.